LTO Calabarzon Accomplishment Report. Scope of presentation. Comparative analysis. Motor vehicle registration. LTO Calabarzon registered 1.32 million motor vehicles during the first semester of calendar year 2026, achieving 97.39% of its performance target of 1.37 million registrations. For motor vehicle registration transactions handled, LTO Calabarzon processed a total of 1.72 million transactions, achieving 99.01% of its performance target of 1.74 million transactions. The region fell short of its target due to fewer vehicle registrations resulting from the extension of motor vehicle registration validity. Licenses and permits. For licenses and permits, LTO Calabarzon issued a total of 385,839 licenses and permits, achieving 97.35% of its performance target of 396,357. Despite this slight shortfall, the region processed a total of 681,629 license and permit cases, surpassing its target of 659,338 and achieving 103.38% of its performance target. Apprehension cases. For the first semester of calendar year 2026, LTO Calabarzon apprehended a total of 118,713 violators, surpassing its target of 106,371 apprehensions and achieving 111.60% of the target. This accomplishment reflects the region's intensified enforcement efforts and continued commitment to promoting road safety and ensuring compliance with land transportation laws. Revenue collection. For the first semester of CY 2026, LTO Calabarzon generated a total of 1,980,857,319 pesos and 72 centavos in motor vehicle registration revenue, achieving 96.19% of its 2,059,294,881 pesos and 52 centavos target. The region was unable to fully attain its revenue target primarily due to a decrease in the number of vehicles registered, largely brought about by the extension of motor vehicle registration validity, which reduced the volume of renewal transactions during the period. For license revenue, LTO Calabarzon generated a total collection of 224,697,505 pesos, achieving 98.88% of its target revenue collection of 227,233,860 pesos and 84 centavos. The slight shortfall was primarily attributable to the extension of driver's license validity, which reduced the number of renewal transactions processed during the period. For LETAS revenue, LTO Calabarzon generated a total collection of 229,454,486 pesos, achieving 86.27% of its target revenue of 265,966,665 pesos. The shortfall was primarily due to the non-confiscation of driver's licenses during apprehensions, which reduced the number of violators who promptly settled their traffic fines. Overall, LTO Calabarzon generated a total revenue collection of 2,435,009,310 pesos and 72 centavos, achieving 95.40% of its target revenue collection of 2,552,495,407 pesos and 36 centavos for the first semester of calendar year 2026. Plans and programs. TODA Rescue, a program that promotes community participation in road safety, emergency preparedness, and disaster response by recognizing tricycle operators and drivers associations, TODAs, as key partners in enhancing public safety and building resilient communities. Implemented in partnership with local government units, LGUs, the Philippine Red Cross, and other government agencies, the initiative equips TODA members with essential knowledge and skills in road safety, basic first aid, emergency response, disaster preparedness, and incident reporting. Through lectures, hands-on exercises, and simulation activities, participants are empowered to assist during road incidents, emergencies, and disasters while serving as road safety advocates and community responders in their respective localities. Road Safety Seminar and Free Helmet Distribution Program, in partnership with the Sangguniang Kabataan of Bawan, Batangas, LTO Calabarzon, conducted a road safety seminar and free helmet distribution program to promote responsible driving, strengthen road safety awareness, and encourage the proper use of protective gear among motorists. The initiative supports the region's continuing efforts to reduce road crash risks and foster a culture of road safety within the community. Intensified law enforcement. For the first semester of calendar year 2026, LTO Calabarzon recorded 66,585 apprehensions for unregistered vehicles, 34,475 seatbelt violations, 1,230 colorum vehicle violations, and 16,243 other traffic violations. These enforcement efforts resulted in a total of 118,713 apprehensions, surpassing the region's performance target of 106,371 and achieving 111.60% of the target. The region's accomplishment was driven by sustained daily enforcement operations across all offices and the implementation of day and night enforcement shifts, which strengthened compliance monitoring and intensified road safety enforcement throughout Calabarzon. Surprise random drug testing. A total of 700 public utility drivers underwent random drug testing with 695 testing negative. 5 drivers tested positive and 3 had their driver's licenses revoked in accordance with existing regulations. In addition, 50 LTO Calabarzon personnel, including Regional Director Elmer J. Dicina, also underwent drug testing and all tested negative. Bringing services closer to the people. Patrol caravans. LTO Calabarzon e-Patrol team conducted 64 deployments across the region, holding 78 theoretical driving course TDC seminars and issuing a total of 9,270 TDC certificates. Opening of new offices. LTO Calabarzon continues to strengthen its presence and enhance the delivery of public services across the region. On June 29, 2026, the LTO signed the Memorandum of Agreement for the transfer of the LTO Balayan District Office to a new modern facility, marking a significant step toward improving accessibility, operational efficiency, and customer convenience. This was followed by the opening of the LTO Bawan Extension Office on July 1, 2026, further expanding the agency's service network and bringing essential LTO services closer to the people of Batangas. Stricter monitoring of allied services. To strengthen regulatory compliance and prevent irregularities, LTO Calabarzon established randomized provincial inspection teams to conduct impartial inspections of accredited allied services across the region. Through intensified monitoring, 112 driving schools and 12 allied service providers were issued show cause orders, while 7 driving schools were suspended, with other cases still under committee review. Administrative measures on road crash incidents. During the first semester of calendar year 2026, LTO Calabarzon issued 342 show cause orders to drivers and registered vehicle owners involved in road crash incidents. Each case was thoroughly evaluated to determine accountability and impose the appropriate sanctions, reinforcing the region's commitment to road safety and responsible motoring. Intensified anti-fixing campaign. LTO Calabarzon, in close coordination with the Philippine National Police, the National Bureau of Investigation, and the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, intensified its anti-fixer campaign through a series of intelligence-driven entrapment operations. These coordinated enforcement efforts led to the successful arrest of 7 fixers, reinforcing the agency's commitment to promoting transparency, protecting the integrity of public services, and ensuring that transactions are conducted in accordance with established laws and regulations. In line with its commitment to integrity and accountability, LTO Calabarzon also issued show cause orders and notices to explain to 5 personnel under investigation for their alleged involvement in fixing related irregularities. The concerned personnel were directed to submit their written explanations as part of the ongoing administrative investigation, ensuring due process and reinforcing the agency's commitment to transparency and ethical public service. Personnel wellness initiatives. LTO Calabarzon remains committed to promoting employee welfare by conducting a mental health, drug abuse prevention, and drug-free workplace seminar. The activity enhanced employees' awareness of mental well-being, substance abuse prevention, and the importance of maintaining a safe, healthy, and drug-free work environment. Zumba with Safety. LTO Calabarzon regularly conducts its Zumba with Safety activity to promote the health, safety, and overall well-being of its employees. The program encourages physical fitness, stress reduction, and a healthy work-life balance while fostering camaraderie and a culture of workplace wellness. Fun Run. LTO Calabarzon actively participated in the Fun Run events to promote health, fitness, and camaraderie among its personnel. Gun Safety Seminar. LTO Calabarzon conducted a gun safety seminar for law enforcers to promote responsible firearm handling, strengthen safety awareness, and reinforce professionalism, discipline, and accountability in law enforcement. Issues and concerns. Frequent LTMS system downtime. Intermittent system outages disrupted transaction processing, resulting in longer waiting times and delays in frontline service delivery. System limitation on mortgage annotation. The LTMS does not yet support the processing of mortgage annotations involving deeds of assignment, preventing the completion of these transactions. Delay in registration renewal processing. Registration renewals were delayed due to the need to migrate motor vehicle records from the Stratcom LTO IT system to the LTMS before transactions could be processed. Plate number discrepancies, inconsistencies were noted between the physical plate numbers and those reflected in the Certificate of Registration CR, particularly for motorcycles, motor tricycles, and tricycles registered in 2017 and earlier. Restriction on updating 6-character motorcycle plates. District offices are unable to update or correct 6-character motorcycle backlog cascading plate records at their level, requiring higher-level system intervention. Unclear guidelines on foreign driver's license conversion. The Citizens Charter does not identify the countries whose foreign driver's licenses are eligible for conversion, leading to uncertainty among applicants. Delays in requests for confirmation. Processing of requests for confirmation is often delayed, and some confirmations are based solely on IT system records rather than official source documents, affecting the accuracy and timeliness of the process. Before I conclude this presentation, I would just like to share a brief video.
Kaya mo na. Huwag na lang, Bart.
Kaya mo na, Bart.
Hello?
Hello, Dad.
Oh, Vic, kamusta?
Mayo man. Dad, may sabihin ako sa imo, importante.
May problema ka?
Dad, gusto ko pong sumali sa LTO Calabarzon.
Bakit?
Kasi trending na, Dad, na magagaling sila. Tani, maintindihan mo. Dad?
Sige na, tawagan ko si RD.
Buti na lang may maaasahan.
Salamat, Dad. Kamusta?
Calabarzon, sa habang panahon.
Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng LTO Calabarzon,
Salamat at mabuhay ang LTO!